Hi, good day. In this video, I'll be showing you how to collaborate with other members of your team using Google Sheets or Google Docs. So, what collaboration is about is that like two or three people can be able to, work on uh, uh, the same document, the same Excel sheet. Google Sheet is like the Google form of Excel. Excel is owned by Microsoft, while Google Sheet is owned by Google. So collaboration allows other members of your team to work with you the same time on the same document. So what you just have to do is to type this address Google. You can just search for Google Sheets, or you just type Google docs.google.com. Yeah, docs.google.com / spreadsheets. All right, so you just press enter. So once you are there, you can click on a blank sheet. All right, so you are inside now. Let's say I'm the only one inside. So I can come here to, type the name of my document. Then there are some other tools here. Maybe if you are using Google Doc, you see some other tools here. So what we are basically trying to do is to allow some other members of the team to, work on this same document to store. So you come to this place, share. So you type the email of the person you want to give the access. Let's say, okay, let's say this is the email of the person. You set the permission. If it is that you want the person to be able to edit the file, give the person editor uh, permission. If you want the person to just view the file and not be able to do anything else, make the person viewer. If you want the person to be able to comment on the file and not edit, give the person commenter. So if there is any information that you like to pass through to the person before they start working on this file, you can type it here. So I'm typing an example. So once I click on send, this person is going to receive an email instantly that so person is trying to invite you to come and work on this file with him or something. So this is my Excel. So there are still some other things that you can be able to do. Let me try. Uh, sorry. Let me try showing us that. When you guys are working on this document at the same time, it could be that you have a comment that you want the person to take note of. You can just highlight here, right click, come to comment, or you just come to this place to open comment history to see all comments. So you come to this place, comment. So once I click on comment now, everybody that I added is going to see this comment. But if it is that this comment is for a particular person, what you just have to do is to type at. You now select the email of the person you are trying to, direct the comments to. Even if the person has not been given access, the person you can still type at and type the email of the person, and the person will be notified. Then Google will ask you if you actually want to give the person access since the person is not there before. So those are some of the other things that you could be able to to do. So let me see if I can quickly show us how it's done on document 2. You go to docs.google.com/document. This is for Excel type. So you follow the same thing on documents also. And even if the person is using a mobile phone, the person should be able to edit the document from their own side too. So this is my Google Docs. So if I need to allow other people to work on it, you just come to share, you type the email of the person, give the person permission, and send uh, the stuff to the person. So let's say this is my document. So everything that you can be able to do on your Microsoft Word, you will be able to do it here also. And it has some other features like the voice typing. So if I'm too tired to type, I can just be here. I can just speak whatever I want it to write, and it will be writing it. So that is it. That's one of the other things that you could be able to do with Google Docs. Okay. So that is just that. If I want to allow someone else to work on this with me, I'll just type the email of the person here and click on done. So if I want to see comment history, I'll be able to come here and see it. So that will be the end of this video. Thank you.